Hi guys, now I'm going to show how to fix screen overlay in your mobile. Okay, now to setting and go to apps and open app which you want to give permission. See here, screen overlay detected. Now go to Play Store and install button unlock a fix screen overlay error. Download this app and open and it's go to the accessibility. Give the permission and back to the home. Go to the settings, go to the app and which app you want to give permission. See app. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video and share. If you need something, please mail us at allroundersma@gmail.com. Thank you.